So first you'll remove the ribbon by removing this plastic clip, and you will lace it through the eye of the plastic needle, leaving about a 3-inch tail. And then you will also remove the second plastic clip. And there are 2 holes on either side of your half square triangles. So you are going to go from top to bottom, lace the ribbon through, and leave about a 4-inch strand. And then we're going to come over the top. This is called an overcast stitch because we're going over the top. Then down through the next hole, and again repeating the process. The overcast stitch. We keep doing this, very simple process. Sometimes this will twist, and depending on the person, people like to sometimes straighten it out, but you don't really have to. You'll notice that you have some tactile borders on the holes, so somebody who cannot see can easily feel the tactile borders. So if they go from one to the next, they can feel where to insert the needle. And it keeps winding around. You can unwind it again. And I'll run my fingers down to get the next hole. And we'll continue doing this all the way. And try not to pull so hard that you're bunching. Just enough so that the ribbon is attaching it, but it doesn't have to be so tight that it's bunching the fabric together. I'll continue doing this. Makes a nice pretty stitch. And just line these holes up so it's easier to weave through. And on the last one, I come up through the bottom so that the ribbon is going to be on the top. And there you have overcast stitch. Now the next step is to open up your fleece square, and you notice this little ridge. Just give it a little bit of a tug. That way it'll help to flatten it out. And you have your 2 colored square, fleece square, now ready to use in your quilt.